we are looking at how to pronounce correctly, perfectly this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary as well, so stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. But let's break down the pronunciation. There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. You can see the phonetic spellings here. The top one here is British English, the way they say it in the UK. Comrade, rad, stress on the first syllable. Now in the US they say it a bit differently as comrade, or comrade. A sentence using this word during the war is comrade saved his life. His comrade saved his life. Sorry for the voice. Comrade is how you pronounce it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.